Today is day number 1,800 of buying $1 of Bitcoin in a row. January 8th, 2024, the first video in 2024. Bitcoin's price is right around $45,000. I currently have 0.1203359 Bitcoin in the balance, worth $5,400. In a little bit, I'll use Strike app to purchase today's Bitcoin, and then we'll do the calculations on how I'm doing so far. But first, let's look at some Bitcoin news and updates. Bitcoin addresses with over 1 BTC in their balance continues to reach new all-time highs. This is a few days behind. We're looking at this orange line. This is the amount of addresses holding 1 Bitcoin or more continues to go up, even as it becomes harder to acquire 1 Bitcoin. So currently around 1,023,000 addresses. I believe last video, actually 50 days ago, I do an update every 50 days. We just broke 1 million. So looking good there. People love holding their 1 Bitcoin. Total hash rate. You can see this blue line here. The hash rate continues to go up. So that's good to see. Mining hash rate is a key security metric. The more hashing computing power in the network, the greater its security and the overall resistance to attack. Although Bitcoin's exact hashing power is unknown, it's possible to estimate it from the number of blocks being mined and the current block difficulty. So looking good here, hash rate going to all-time highs. The amount of Bitcoin available for sale on exchanges, which is this purple line here. The white line is going to be the Bitcoin price. So it reached an all-time high around July 2021, and the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges for sale has been going down ever since then. So ever since about the last halving, when mining became more difficult, the amount of Bitcoin available for sale on exchanges has gone down. Looking good there as well. We also have the Bitcoin ETF, which everybody is talking about. It's not something that I'm that interested in or care about that much, but it is a good way for big money and investors that are scared of Bitcoin to participate in Bitcoin. A Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund issues publicly traded securities that offer exposure to the price movements of Bitcoin futures contracts. So basically these people are trading Bitcoin futures contracts. They love to trade fake Bitcoin. It's hard for me to care. I think trading the real supply of Bitcoin is what matters. That's what's different than other assets. There's a limited supply, there will only ever be 21 million, and people trade the amount that's available. These ETFs and futures contracts, I just don't know if it matters. Just come on over and let's trade some real Bitcoin. At the end of the day, these people, their exchange is gonna close at 4 p.m. on a Friday, and Bitcoin keeps trading on the weekend, so nobody cares. That's just fake stuff. Just keep it over there. We'll stick to dollar cost averaging the real Bitcoin over here. So pretty much every metric update looking pretty solid for Bitcoin. Actually, let's look at a chart real quick. There's a Bitcoin halving around here. We see what happens a few months after. There's a Bitcoin halving around here. We see what happens a few months after. And we have a Bitcoin halving coming up right here. That's the big event for 2024, the Bitcoin halving. Mining becomes twice as difficult. Half of the amount of Bitcoins will be produced. Less sell pressure, harder to acquire, all metrics that we love. And I expect the price to go up here as well. Now, maybe not 250K or what some of these people are talking, but I'm looking over 100K as my projection. There's been a lot of volatility lately, especially with altcoins. My advice would be just don't get shaken out right now. If you're up a lot, that's good. Sell if you're in profit, but just I think the best is yet to come this year. So try not to get shaken out right now. Okay, let's buy today's Bitcoin. We're on Strike. It's the easiest way to buy, send, all that good stuff. 0 Bitcoin in the balance because I sent this over last night. It's still pending, but it'll be there soon. We'll just tap buy $1 next. It's going to give us our order details, tap confirm. Okay. Just like that, we've added $1 more of Bitcoin to the balance there. And then every 50 days or so, I just send this over to my main wallet. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. We'll give this a refresh, open up my calculator here. So we're gonna have $5,415 of Bitcoin divided by 1,800 days equals a 3x on our investment, pretty much a 3x even. Can't beat that for a low risk dollar cost average strategy. Can't believe I've been doing this 1800 days now. That's crazy. Let's go ahead and do the dollars gained. 5,415 minus $1,800 spent equals $3,615 gained. So that'll do it for today's update on the Bitcoin experiment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found the information helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.